Hello everyone, I am Nimish Wagre. In GATE 2021, I have secured All India rank 23 in Chemical Engineering. In this video, I will discuss my 3 hours of GATE exam. Guys, I felt this video is very important to discuss with you because if you prepare too much 1 year or 2 years, solve lot of papers and did lot of struggle for GATE preparation, and you are unable to present yourself in 3 hours, then there is no meaning remain of your all preparation. So I felt it is very important to discuss about with you these 3 hours and how to prepare for these 3 hours. So let us start our discussion. On exam, my exam was on 13 February. Actually, exam is on 6, 7, 13, 14. 4 days GATE examination. And my paper was on 13 February 2021. And as our exam center was little bit away from my house, I want to stay on lodge for GATE examination. And on the day of GATE examination, I took up a proper sleep. Means it is very required. Some students do a lot of sleep 2 to 3 hours before GATE examination. It is a worst case. Means don't do such kind of thing. And I took a proper sleep of 7 hours. If you take less sleep than other days, 2 to 3 hours, you will definitely do silly mistakes. You will feel sleepy during examination and you will do silly mistakes during your GATE paper. So proper rest during GATE examination is very, very important. This is one point. And second point, मेरे दिमाग में एक तो फिक्स था कि इतना मेहनत की है, 2 साल 3 साल से पूरी मेहनत कर रहा हूँ, ये 3 घंटे में अच्छे से प्रेजेंट नहीं कर पाया तो उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं. और 3 घंटे में अच्छे से प्रेजेंट किया, मैं बेस्ट दे दिया एग्ज़ाम में, तो पूरा लाइफ सेट होने वाला है. ये मेरे दिमाग में एक फिक्स था एग्ज़ाम डे के पहले. तो उसी तरह मैं प्लानिंग कर रहा कि एग्ज़ाम का डे थोड़ा भी ऐसा गुस्सा दिमाग घूमे नहीं, मतलब थोड़ा भी गुस्सा ना हो आए दिमाग में, या कोई भी ऐसा अलग ना हो दिमाग में. इसलिए टोटली प्रिपेयर बना था गेट एग्ज़ाम के डे के और एक डे पहले से ही. एंड आफ्टर गेटिंग अप ऑन आई टेक्स 12 to 7 प्रॉपर रेस्ट ऑफ 7 hours. And after getting up at 7 a.m., I completed my all daily activities for a half and 1 hour. And I just did one revision, means not from books. I just in mind I revise every formulas. I just written formulas in 20 to 30 times while preparation. So once I summarize in my mind only what are formulas, where is formula, what is all formulas, all subjects or formulas. I revise everything in my mind for 15 to 20 minutes. And then our paper was on 9:30. So I want to reach exam center at 8:30. And before going to exam center, I listened one video on YouTube about this from Chak De India movie, this 70-minute dialogue of Shah Rukh Khan. I listened this dialogue before going to examination. उसमें क्या है, ये उसमें शाहरुख खान बोलते हैं हॉकी टीम को, ये 70 मिनट्स आपके बेस्ट कर दिए तो ज़िंदगी भर पूरा एंजॉय करोगे. ये 70 मिनट में मैं वैसे दिमाग में कर रहा था 180 मिनट्स, मीन्स एग्ज़ाम के 3 घंटे अच्छे कर दिए मैं तो पूरा ज़िंदगी एंजॉय कर सकूँगा. ये मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा था वो वीडियो सुन के. वही वीडियो 1-2 बार सुन लिया और उसी तरह मैं एग्ज़ाम सेंटर को चला गया. I reached exam center at 8:30 and for 1 hour, once I take my laptop computer and sit in front of my seat, I took up do some meditation. Means how to keep how to keep my mind calm. If whenever I come under pressure, how to face it. All thoughts were going on under mind, and I made a strategy for these 3 hours. That I decided that first once a paper started, in first 20 minutes I will solve aptitude, in which first 5 minutes I will solve 1 mark aptitude questions, 15 minutes I will solve 2 minutes aptitude questions, and then remaining 20 minutes over, then I will jump to 1 marks question. First 25 1 marks question I will solve in remaining 40 minutes, and as in the next 90 minutes I will solve 2 marks question, 35 to 32 marks questions. And in the remaining last half hour I will do a revision of all my paper. This is what all everything going on inside my mind before get exam. And all papers, all practice paper, all test series I am solving previous year papers on an academic test series paper. I follow same strategy, like this 20 minutes aptitude, 40 minutes 1 marks question, and remaining 2 marks question. In all papers I follow same strategy. But about once paper started, I got to know that 1 marks and 2 marks question are totally shuffled. Means in aptitude I started from aptitude, some 1 marks 2 marks question coming in the first, some 1 marks question, again 2 marks question. Means I was made under some pressure, come under some pressure, that I didn't imagine such a situation, that 1 marks and 2 marks question will shuffle. I thought it will be in sequence, but I came under the pressure because this is unexpected situation for me. Actually, I had some hostel friends who gave GATE examination on 6-7 February, means 1 week before my GATE examination. And also I did discussion with them about the aptitude questions and difficulty level of GATE examination, which is IIT Bombay setting, and all other facts about GATE exams. But these 4 or 5 friends which whom I did discussion, they forget to tell me about this shuffled 1 and 2 marks question shuffled. They forget to tell me about it. And as I was not prepared for such situation, on exam time I come under somewhat pressure, and I have 2 options at that time. One is to search 1 marks question and attempt them, and then solve a 2 marks question. This is one option. And second option I had is start solving sequentially without thinking anything about next question. And another more thought come into my mind is, if I searching 1 marks question and attempting them initially, it will consume a lot of time. That's why I prefer to go sequentially, solving all question in sequentially manner. So I started attempting aptitude question, 2 marks 1 marks 2 marks 1 marks, such type kind of question coming in front of me, and I solved aptitude question in 20 to 25 minutes. And then technical part started. And I started solving sequentially, means 1 2 3 4 in such a sequentially manner. And during 90 minutes of examination over, means half time of GATE examination over, and I was able to solve only 40 questions out of 65 questions. Means many questions, my many questions remain to solve in remaining 90 minutes. Once I remember my everything, means my all preparation journey, how I prepared, how many question paper I solved, and everything, my mother, father, everything I remembered. And then one thought come into mind that it's such a situation not happen anywhere. Means such a less question in first 90 minutes was not solved any time. Means I was solving many questions in first 90 minutes. But due to very less questions getting solved by me in first 90 minutes, I was somewhat under tension during GATE examination, and I started solving questions by little more hurry. After doing analysis of my paper, I found that in the questions which I solved in first 90 minutes, all questions were correct. Means only 1-2 questions were wrong in first 40 questions. And at the time when I came under pressure, in at a 90 minutes time, then I started doing mistakes. Mean many sequentially 4 questions made wrong at a 90 minute time. And in this way I started solving question paper, and I didn't get a last 30 minutes time for a revision. I want to only I think in last 10 minutes I able to cover most of the papers, and only 4 questions remain which I unable to solve in first attempt. And in this 10 minutes, instead of doing revision of a whole paper, I prefer to attempt these 4 questions. And out of these 4 questions, I was able to solve 2 questions, and 2 questions I unable to solve. And in this 2 question, I was one question I was little bit in doubt, because they match the pair such kind of question, and I was little more doubt in. But I attempted write this 2 marks question, and finally match the pair question answer was my correct. And in this way, means out of the 65 questions, I attempted 63 questions, and 51 questions were correct. And for these 51 questions, correct questions, I got marks 75.66, and for these marks I got all India rank 23 in chemical engineering. This is all I want to discuss with you in this video. Guys, I seriously suggest you that you should be remain prepared for this 3 hours of GATE examination, because they 3 hours जिसके अच्छे गए उसके पूरा लाइफ सेट है, उस पूरी ज़िंदगी अच्छी बन जाएगी. और ये 3 गेट एग्ज़ाम के 3 आवर्स जितके ऐसे अच्छे नहीं जाते, दिमाग घूम गया या एग्ज़ाम के टाइम गुस्सा हो गया या कुछ हो गया एग्ज़ाम के पहले, ट्रैफिक में कुछ हो गया, रास्ते में कुछ हो गया, तो ऐसा अच्छे नहीं गए 3 आवर्स, तो पूरा वापस 1 साल प्रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा. सो यू शुड बी प्रिपेयर फॉर ऑल दिस सिचुएशन. This is all I want to discuss with you in this video. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and let's crack it.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hello learners, don't forget or miss our special class feature on Unacademy platform or application. Special class features are interactive live classes, polls for the learners, raise a hand feature, never miss a class, lecture notes, and you can go through lectures from anytime and from anywhere.